Good morning. Welcome to another Thursday poetry session. I hope you must all be healthy and safe. Well, today the poem I'm going to recite to you is an unpublished one. I had written this poem a few months back, and it's part of my collection which I'm building for my another poetry book, which will be published maybe next year or the year after. Well, the poem I'm going to recite today requires a lot of courage. It requires me to be brave. And not only me, it requires every married man on this planet to talk about this topic. It's about my wife. And she's in the next room right now, and she doesn't know I'm going to recite this poem. And I don't know what's going to happen to me after this poem is published on YouTube. I don't know what the repercussions going to be, but I wish and I hope that you all will pray for my safety today. So this poem is called Ode to My Wife. Been married a little more than a decade, more than a century I have aged. Pros and cons of marriage I've thoroughly weighed. Sometimes an assault, sometimes a raid. Most of the times it's worse than the Holy Crusade. About my wife, I will tell you. Life with her is like living in a zoo. She loves me like the Nazis loved the Jew. I tell you, she's so funny, swears that she doesn't love me for money. Can you imagine a brown bear who says he hates honey? Every evening after work, I have to clean and cook. The only thing she loves is my checkbook. All these years, she's kept me hanging on a tenterhook. There's always lightning and thunder in my house. I always try to hide like a scared mouse. Surely, the pants are worn by my spouse. Even our children are terrified of her. I'm a teacher, but we call her sir. I've tried explaining, but never does she infer. Shopping is her favorite pastime. All day long, she loves vodka and lime. Life with her is like an organized crime. I love her like none. Witnesses are my daughter and son. She's a wolf in a costume of a nun. You must be thinking that all this is true. No, it is not. I assure you. We both are like paper and glue. It's not that I don't love my wife. Murder victims never question the quality of the knife. This is the sweet and bitter truth of my puny life. She is the woman of whom I always dream, even though at times I get up at night and loudly scream. In the dark, gloomy night, she is like the moon's beam. I know if she hears all this, gone will be my happiness, gone will be my bliss. Knowing her, I will make up with her candy and a kiss. I love her and will always will, even if her lies are all uphill. Whatever her heart desires, I try to fulfill. For you, I will move mountains with all my might. There will be happiness everywhere. Everything will be right. I shall always be with you. I will be your shining light. I love you. I really do. You are my early morning drops of dew. Together, all our pains we shall pull through. Making fun of my love was not the poem's theme. Even though you might think so it might seem. We shall always be together. We are an amazing team. With you, every day we can celebrate. Always there shall be love. Never will I hate. Be you crispy, thin, or gain tons of weight. The heavens have already sealed our fate. Together, hand in hand, we shall go to the pearly gate. I hope you enjoyed this poem. I hope my wife also enjoys it. If not, the next Thursday you might see me with bandages. Anyways, if you like this poem, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up. Until next week, be healthy, be safe. Jai Hind.